Guys, I know you like scalping and you also like intraday trading, which gives quick results, meaning quick profit. And you would also like to trade with a stop loss and for the indicator to show you where to set this stop loss level. See, I've already learned to read your minds. So today I want to introduce you to an indicator that provides accurate profitable signals for intraday trading. This is a scalping system. Secondly, this indicator shows us the levels where to set the stop loss. Everything just the way you like it. I will also add that this indicator works on almost any time frame and any asset. Excellent. Meet the wonderful FVG signal indicator. Come to my platform, I'll show you everything. So, look guys, this is how the indicator looks on the price chart. It provides quite reasonable trading signals. So, when a sell trading signal appears, it colors the price chart under the candles in red and shows a level, a straight line that extends downward following the price. This is the level for setting trailing stop loss orders. It also initially provides us with a line for setting the stop loss of a physical order. In the same way, when a buy order is executed, green candles appear, symbolizing the rise of the price chart. A line for setting the initial stop loss appears, and then you can perform a trailing stop of this trend along this line at this level, which is also placed by the indicator. So we proceed and trade. If the candles are not colored, it means we do not trade. Red candles indicate sell trades, green candles indicate buy trades. As you can see, there are quite adequately profitable trades, excellent ones. There are profitable trades, and there are signals that bring us losses. That is, this indicator does not repaint. And if in some trades we see losses right during the review, that's good because we see that the indicator is not lying. That is, we see that here we had a good sell, here we had a good buy, and here a sell trade would have brought us a loss because the signal was for a sell, but the quotes went up. So this is an honest indicator that gives us truthful and quite profitable, adequate signals. Guys, you can download this indicator for free. The download link is in the description of this video.